Yeah, hello and visit customers. We are working in Kumasi, Ejisu, and I'm here today to give you update. Let's go. You see. So this be the house that we dey design with natural stones here in Ghana. You see, the name is Steven Stone Design. Whatever they give us a call, and our service is available across the country. Yeah, so let's go. You see, so we are going to design all these pillars with a Tarkwa stones and some portion also on the main building. You see, on the main building. So you don't need to plaster your building before giving us a call. We can lay the stone direct, that will also save some cost for you. You see, so as for this design, we are not laying like that. You see, so we are forming a design whereby we will lay the grey stones. You lay only the grey stone from down to top and complete them with some red stones. You see, so all going to be a uniform. You see, after then this beam, you see, this beam they are going to be a red stones. You see, so I know what I'm doing. So this one, the final process, you'll see that it is looking so beautiful, so marvelous, so fantastic. You see, so whatever they give us a call. Although this place there's no light here, here is some bush inside a cry, but there's no light here. But we are using our nachos to do a beautiful design for this customer. As you can see, you see, this is a video so that you see that, and our work is so unique. You see, it's so unique. You see, when you take an straightness, nice one. You see, that be how I do my job. I always take my time and do a very beautiful and neat design for all my customers around the country. As you can see, so nice and beautiful. So whatever I do, whatever I locate yourself, give us a call. Our service is available across the country. Enggak lele. Hah? Apa? Lekpa. Mo tana san. Ada yang san o. Sabe se aí mu jare ne kwa Accra. Tisi anu one of us kwa Accra isi. Okay, one. What was kwa Accra isi? Who want to go Accra right now? Okay. 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 You want to go Accra? Today you go Accra. Okay. Okay. Today God go make your wish come to reality. Say amen. 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 Okay. Okay. So promise so. So promise so. So promise so. Kobi. But I didn't FO. F and Yawino. Sending a winning na. Yeah. Chapent my one so sky day. Zika of your Colanso anopa. Come on. But we're a uniform.